Wait.
Oh. I opened the bottle. And look, I guess this is serious food.
What clue again?
Lights, camera, action. That's what you said.
Silly Victoria.
Can we open it?
Sure, right now. Quickly. 5 seconds left. Oh, you got here is cutie.
Can I open the bob? Please, could you?
Yes. Open it.
Which one did I start first?
Who is this?
Curious cutie. She's curious at stuff.
It's $1.
And I only have $3. I only have $3. 2 glittery ones and 1 regular one.
$1.
Wait, let me put it like
What's the matter with her? Worth $1?
Yesterday I got 1980 TV, but we didn't film a video.
Oh, I love her hair.
I wonder what she does.
Okay, show me close, okay?
Wait, I forgot to move her arm. To put her.
Show me closer. Like this. It's too close. Like. Nice.
What
Who is
do-
this?
Curious cutie. Let's check the
What?
list. Who is she?
What is the series?
Glam glitter. I always wanted one. And her name is Curious Cutie. She spits. Maybe she won't color change.
Maybe.